Okay, this is a video about ergonomics. Now, this is the workstation, like the main place where cabinets get built, but you need a way not to constantly put things on your workstation. So the best thing I have found is to have a cart like this. You keep all the stuff you use, all the screws that are very common to whatever it is you're doing. And you can have a couple of tools you throw here, but every once in a while, put it all back here and you'll find yourself much more productive. That has worked well for me. I just got this cheap one from Harbor Freight. It probably took me longer to put this thing together than to build a cabinet. Seriously. I remember all the bolts involved in this thing. But it's lightweight, it works, and you know, I keep my persuasion tool in here. I keep this grinder that every now and again I gotta like get a nail that went through a wrong spot. I don't really use this. I'm always trying to figure out a better way, but like I have my screw gun. I have at least one drill. I believe I have two. Here's another one. This is a surge impact. And this is basically what I use for most of my cabinet assembly. This is the screw gun, is more for putting hinges on and hinge plates and stuff like that. And there's even another bigger gun. I find you just need a lot of guns. And I always have the standard 18 gauge, 23 gauge. Hardly ever use it here in the shop, to be honest. But I have a cordless one for in the field. This right here is a staple gun I use for all my backs as well as screws. Let's see, what else? Sander, just for now and again sanding stuff. And like I said, all the screws that are commonly used. Good to have a mosquito repellent. Lacquer thinner. Your basic shims for when you're trying to raise something up and work with it. I'll show that later, other videos. Everyone needs a utility knife, tape, miscellaneous things. But for the most part, what I'm really trying to say is this cart, I can't live without it. It really works really well for me. And I've always thought, hey, well, do I want to make like a nice, maybe something where I can have it, but I think this is the best layout there is. Appreciate you watching this. If you like that kind of stuff, please hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button if you want more information on cabinet making methods or any general woodworking or shop kind of stuff. Thanks.